Good morning, Rajesh from Human Gardeners Veranda Talk. Blue Ocean is considered to be a great strategy in business. It fundamentally talks about growing yourself beyond the competition and creating a space of your own. Even though I am an entrepreneur, I once implementing this strategy into my personal life. Even though it sounds very simple, it was actually very difficult to implement. One of the frameworks, action frameworks of this Blue Ocean strategy talks about 4 steps. The first step is to eliminate certain things from your life. Actually, it is eliminate certain things from your business. Second thing is to reduce certain things. And the third is to raise certain things. And the fourth one is to create something new. Probably in business it's much easier. But in personal life, it becomes very difficult for us to do this. When I sat down to work on this, I understood how difficult it is. Because the first thing was to identify what has to be eliminated. I took elimination first. First I thought there is nothing to eliminate from my life. But then later on when I sat down and worked on it, it was a long list which I felt has to be eliminated. It took certain months for me to identify one area which I thought I should eliminate. And that area was the fear. Fear again cannot be eliminated completely. And fear is actually needed in our life. It is fear which actually prevents us from getting into many dangers. It is a checkpoint for us to getting from many of the hazards of life. But then there are certain fears like the fear of failure, the fear of public speaking, the fear of meeting people, which are not good for you. So I identified the fear of failure as one point which I should eliminate from my individual life. And honestly, it took months for me to get into this action and slowly and steadily remove it from my mind completely. I will not say I have eliminated it completely, but to a great extent I was able to do it. From there I moved on to the second point, which is to reduce certain things from your life. Again, I went through this whole process of identifying what I should reduce. And what I identified is this anger and resentment. At that time I was a very angry young man. And anger again, as we know, is important for our life. It is good for our life. It motivates us at certain times. It is normally a trigger for our life. But then the anger which is not directed properly can have a big problems in our life. It can drain your energy and it also can push you into a different direction altogether. So that is the area wherein I worked personally, consciously, and I was able to reduce this anger and resentment inside me to a great extent. I still get angry, but then I become aware when I am getting angry. So that is the second thing which I did. Third was to raise something which you already have. This one probably was easier for me. I identified knowledge as something which I should raise. Because if you look at it, immediately after completing my post-graduation, I got an opportunity to teach the students in a college. But then when I started teaching, I realized that the difference between a student and a teacher is very big. So to be a good teacher, I had to go through a lot of books, to do a lot of research, to do a lot of homework. So in that 1 year, I did something which I had not done during my college days. I learned so much in that one year. Later on, the second job I got was in Reliance, and it was a share and debenture department. So it was from literature to debenture and Shakespeare to share. And I never knew anything about shares and debentures. So it took a lot of time for me to learn about the shares and debentures. And from there I moved on to logistics, which again was a totally different, a new field for me. And I had to pick up everything about logistics and learn about it. And in logistics, you need to know about the marketing, about operations, about HR, about technology, and also about the finances. So, which I was able to learn. So, this is something which I keep doing even now to raise my knowledge wherever possible. And the fourth step was to create something. You need to create something. And what I understood is that the area which I found that I need to create that is empathy. Because by that time I had started working with so many team, a lot of people around me, and then from there I realized a member of the team is not just another individual. He has got his family. There is a society beyond that, and this insights and made me realize that business is not just doing business and then making some money and profits. It is much beyond that. There is a different objective for doing business also. Even individually also, there is a larger meaning for our life. And what hold these things together is the empathy which we create in ourselves. So I have now stopped learning this. Even today, I continue doing all these four things in my life, because the moment you feel that you have eliminated fear, something else will come in. The moment you feel that you have reduced something, something else will be there to be reduced. The moment you feel that okay, you have created empathy in your life, there is something more to be created. So these four frameworks has helped me a lot. And they talk about blue ocean because red ocean denotes blood. It is the blood of that rat race, cutthroat competition which we are talking about. And the blue ocean talks about the serenity, the peacefulness, the vastness, and the depth in which you can go and learn things. So friends, I have benefited from this four action framework. Hope you can also implement that in your life. I will repeat it again. The first thing is you need to eliminate certain things. Second thing is to reduce. The third thing, you need to raise certain things. And the fourth thing is to create. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and share it with others if you have liked it. Thank you very much.